Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Ollama Code. First, open your Google Chrome and search for Ollama Code. Click on the official Ollama website link. Once you open the website, you'll see a large collection of coding-focused AI models that you can run locally on your system. Ollama allows developers to download and run large language models directly on their computer, which means better privacy, offline usage, and fast response times compared to cloud-only tools. One of the main models you'll see is Llama. It is a large language model built specifically for generating and discussing code. You can get it text prompts to write functions, explain logic, debug errors, and even build small projects. Next is Llama, a lightweight but powerful coding model. It can perform fill-in-the-middle code completion, full code generation, natural language understanding, and mathematical reasoning and instruction following tasks. It is optimized to balance performance and efficiency. Then there's Straw, developed by Mistral AI. This model is focused on code generation tasks and is designed to produce structured, clean, and developer-friendly outputs. You will also find CodeQuant 1.5, which is trained on a large amount of code data. It performs well for structured programming, reasoning, and multi-language coding tasks. Another option is CodeKey X4, a versatile coding model built with AI software development scenarios, including advanced code completion. CodeUp is based on Llama 2 and is known for strong code generation performance and structured responses. CodeBoga is a high-performing code instructions model created by merging two different coding models, improving instruction, following, and output accuracy. Moving forward, there's a Cogito V1 preview, a hybrid reasoning model family designed to compete with strong open-weight models across standard benchmarks. For enterprise-level users, Command A is a 111 billion parameter model optimized for secure, high-quality AI applications in demanding environment. You'll also see Command R7B, which is smaller in size but optimized for speed and efficiency. It works well on commodity GPUs and edge devices. Another powerful coding model is Qwen3 Coder Next, developed by Alibaba's team and optimized for agent-based coding workflows and local development setups. Then, there's a DevStrol Small 2, a 24p model that performs very well in exploring code bases, editing multi-files, and supporting software engineering agents. If you scroll down further, you will see many more models, each designed for specific coding tasks like debugging, automation, reasoning, or full application development. Now let's talk about the pricing. Ollama offers free plan, which allows you to run models locally without paying. This is great for developers who want offline AI coding support. Then, there is the Pro plan at $20, which is designed for users who need more performance and flexibility. Finally, there is the Max plan at $100, aimed at advanced users and enterprises who require higher limits, stronger performance, and extended capabilities. Overall, Ollama Code is a powerful solution for developers who want local AI coding assistance. It offers a wide range of models from lightweight coding assistance to massive 111p parameter enterprise models. Whether you are a beginner, an independent developer, or part of a large team, Ollama provides flexible options for code generation, debugging, reasoning, and full development workflows. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.